What's happening? We are working with lesson 29, third declension. So, briefly, we're going to talk about how to discern among the first three declensions. A goes to AE for first, US or UM goes to I for second, and something goes to IS for third. So if you use that, I take a moment to label the declension for each noun. And then when you're ready, see what my answers are. There you go. Now something that makes it hopefully a little easier and also kind of neat. Third declension nouns that end in tas. Follow the pattern tas to tatis. And so abilitas goes to abilitatis. Activitas to activitatis. Activitatis. Ambiguitas. Ambiguitatis. Agilitas. Agilitatis. Tempestas is going to be tempestatis. And for the most part, and the last one is going to be an exception, if you switch the AS to a Y, you're going to get pretty much the English equivalent. All right, so with this, if we follow the rule, so civitas, and then the tas goes to tatis. And we got our stem. Civitat. And this is just going to get your third declension endings. Sem, a, ace, ibis, ace, ibis. All right, and then if moving on to verb review, am is going to be future for third conjugation. I will place. You have two words, perfect passive. I have been placed. Pronoun are is I and it's passive. That a is going to be future. Istis. Y'all placed. All right, transport to bomb. BA is was a word. The M is I. I was transporting. All right, we got two words, passive and it. And then this is going to be pluperfect passive. It had been. Transported. Same deal. It's just going to be present tense, perfect tense this time. It has been. Transported. Mer is we. Be without an A is future. We will be. Transported. All right, and have a little nice little attempt with these sentences here, and then feel free to go along with me or check when you finished. T is he, she, or it. There you go. This is our accusative. The king ought to have power. Wolowit, the T, that's going to be the Regina. The Queen. Wanted to give. Daria is to give. Libertatem, freedom. Servis, to the servants. Three dukes. The leader, non-habit, does not have. Auctoritatem, the authority. Regere populum, to rule the people. Alright, then the storm. And this is weird. This is masculine. So this os is actually describing this. The storm terrified many sailors in Norway on the ship. Miles, the soldier has potestatum has the power. Necari captivum, to kill the captive. Gladio, with the sword. And then post prolium, after the battle. The Rex, the king. Petit, what sought or asked for. Auxilium, aid. A Regina, from the queen. Our last little bit, accusative and ablative of time and space. So ablative, time, space, when, within which. So when it's singular, it's at a specific point, and when it's plural, it's within a certain amount of time. So east is ablative, so within a few hours. This is singular, so that's at a specific moment in the summer. Accusative tells you duration. So honest, the os are both accusative, so that's going to be a duration, so for many years. Alright, so the case for the line, at that time, it's at a specific time, so that's going to be ablative. We, very few survived the plague. We were there for several days. Alright, you've got a duration of time, so that's going to be accusative. We are planning to attack within several hours. Time within which. Within is going to be ablative. At dawn we shall fight. That's at a specific time. Ablative. In the summer the Romans fought. That's a specified time. Specific time. So that's going to be ablative as well. If you have any questions, I know that was brief on the ablative and accusative of time and space. Let me know. Feel free to ask. And we'll keep it going on the